Okay, we're back at intro vlog, so this is the intro to the Hawaii vlog. We're at a boba spot. Oh my god, it's time to be real. And I got a messy taro milk tea. You gonna take it?
I'll do me and downstairs.
What do you want?
That was so good. Caption? No caption. Oh, mine's welcome to Hawaii.
Okay, grocery haul. Just from Target.
We have, I'm not even in the frame. Kind
Back off. Dang.
breakfast bars. The essential snacks. Yes, we are children. Julian's addiction had to be.
Wait, one more.
Had to be
This was new.
suffice. And then more snacks because we're still children. Is that it?
No,
We're not done yet.
And even more snacks. And because we are children. And then the actual essentials that you needed. Pretty good.
Shout out to Target.
Okay, we stopped at a viewpoint. This is also what's behind us. It's so windy. Oh man. Okay, first dinner. Pig sliders, pig fried rice, gluten-free pasta, of course, and spinach artichoke dip. Solid. All right, they're gonna try to check their speed. Come on, Need for Speed. Ready? Set, go.
I didn't even know she was like, there's samples, and I was like, I'm overwhelmed. So a cinnamon roll, and then these are cakes. One I think is chocolate. This one is like fruit-esque. And the guy was like, oh, is it like raspberry? She was like, no, it's dragon fruit. I'm like, oh, of course it is. So it was like savory stuff, and I was like, why would I come to a bakery and get savory? Also, it was meat. So here we are.
There you go, good job. Okay, less than 24 hours later, we're back at Target.
We got so many things, and I'm
Dying.
So.
It's already day 2. It is almost noon, and we haven't left yet. But we were up early today. We already went to a gluten-free bakery, and then we went to Target to pick up last-minute things that we needed for the trip. But we are going to a botanical garden, a beach. We'll do a trail hike thing, and then visit some tide pools later. So we have a full day. This is the view. This is the picture. Oh, it's cold and I'm wet.
So I'm wearing a mermaid towel.
This is the album cover. Okay, it's day 3 and we are going to North Shore today, but starting off with brunch.
This is just breakfast. And it's only 9:14.
It is only just breakfast, but I can't wait because breakfast food is top tier.
Hard disagreement.
Okay, we're at a cafe and we got waffles.
She got French toast.
Oh, and French toast.
Free.
Of course, gluten-free, of course. Okay, we made it to Tuttle Bay Resort and go to the beach. And it's actually shining bright out. So hopefully we get a tan. Found a spot. And it's nice and bright out. For a couple hours, so hopefully we'll get a decent tan. UV index is like 9 anyway, so we'll see. What is here? Some sort of bowls? Bowls and smoothies, solid. What a sight to see, Rachel being an influencer.
It's not working.
I know.
I give up. This guy's not aesthetic enough.
I'll tell you.
Oh wait, we just passed
Okay.
the park, so we can go back to
We got acai bowl.
It's not acai. Tropical.
With mangoes, her favorite fruit. It is pouring out. We're at 7-Eleven and we found Masubi's. So we're gonna try some.
There's a jumbo chicken.
We got a ton.
Oh, there's sushi
What do we
too.
eat? I don't know what I want. Just regular? Not the mini Lunchables. Alright, I think I'm going with that.
Go what? Eat?
Shrimp
Oh.
test. Masubi test. I need to open mine too. Regular Masubi. Okay, we are back home. And I figured I'm a little red. I didn't think I was, but somehow I am red. Oh, what the heck? We're back home. It's 7 o'clock, and we are going to get Thai for dinner, but we want to stop by and change for dinner outfits, so that's to come. So Rachel reserved us a whole room.
Yeah. Surprise.
We just apparently. What day is it? It is day 3. We're going to the farmer's market and then going to Waterfalls and then going somewhere in the North Shore. And then the Dole Plantation on the way back. And then dinner, of course. Alright, we made it to a farmer's market.
I think it's out again,
And it smells so good.
so we can stay as friends. Yeah. I think it all depends on the truth.
I have potato ball. She got corn.
I know your friends just hate me. They acting kinda crazy. They always laughing gatekeep, but it's cool. People, they always quick to judge. We
Okay,
know
we're
I'm never
starting our hike.
really out of
It's a
bed,
fall.
it's a haven. We put on our favorite songs. Details, the ones I'll never know. She says the things I'm letting go, but waiting for my life.
Made it to the waterfall. We're changing. We're gonna switch over to the GoPro. Alright, we're on the GoPro.
Anytime I'm asking why, you've been always by my side again.
I'm sitting on a rock, and there you go.
There's a really big rock right there.
Okay, it is cold. There we go. So I'm just gonna float backwards. And kick.
I don't have anything to say.
Oh, you never really mean that. Oh, you're far from me. It comes so easy to feel so fine. I know you're waiting for baby. I can't cry anytime I'm asking why. You've been always by my side again. Too in love to be just friends, 'cause I won't lie. You've been always by my mind. You've been always by my
Yeah, it's tough.
I got hit on by a white dog. Indirectly.
Not at all. We're filming TikToks because it's 3 o'clock.
You want to see my water shoes?
Yeah?
I have chacos.
How? How are you? I can't lift my leg.
My
I'm not
sunburn
doing
is getting worse.
that. Look, this is the view. Look at TikTok. He was standing in front of it. Snack break. We're trying to go to the bay. So I can try and cliff jump. Well, we'll see. Hopefully I don't die.
3, 2, 1.
Gotta do must stop shave ice. Okay, this is the process. Everyone says get the condensed milk on top, and then you get 3 flavors. But Lonnie and I are doing this. To dig in. First bite. Thoughts? What'd you have?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh. What the? He's still chasing. Okay, we made it to dinner 15 minutes before the dinner menu closes. But I got a Lulu Moco with beef and egg. Oh, yum. Of course. It's a pasta. And then we got a mango flow and a lava flow, which is just rum. Alright. They're really feeling the guy who's playing behind us. And she's about to tip him later. He's doing really good though. This is the vibe we needed. It's 4 a.m. We're going on a sunrise hike, but we'll see how the sunrise is.
Happy 3 a.m.
Oh my god.
Like
Happy
4
day
a.m.
4, actually. We're like 6 minutes in. It's just vertical.
Said I'm there when the leaves come through. Clear skies on an ocean night. Said the West Coast will love you. And I'm trying, really trying to make things right. Hold the sun, worlds colliding. Felt my tongue, couldn't ask for more. Having fun with
We've been over for like an hour. It's already 6 o'clock.
so just hear me out. We just went from tripping over water to the sound of fireworks resumed. Sometimes I got nothing here to offer, but the sound of me talking back to you.
Made it.
We're down. We're alive. Good shit. It's about to be 7. Breakfast. Ow. Look bright. Also, I'm sweating bullets in my back.
I got scratched by a fence.
She fought a fence.
Yeah.
She lost.
Fence one.
Rip.
And now I have memories of this hike forever, etched into my skin.
Yeah, Lonnie has trauma from this hike.
I for sure thought we were gonna die at some point because we were in the dark and Julian was making noises and it had voices.
Okay.
It
There was
just,
literally no one else on the path but us.
exactly.
And then I
And
had
then
my
you hear
phone
a
out.
voice.
And she yelled at me for having my phone out. I'm so
I
sorry.
heard a voice and I was like, oh my god, we're gonna die. It's very valid in my opinion.
Okay. So she has trauma from this hike. What did I get? Nothing.
Was it worth it?
Yeah,
I think we could have come a little bit later.
we definitely could have. But I think we still had enough time for us to struggle on the mountain.
It would have been bad if like people were watching us
Yeah, there you go. At least we struggled
on the way down.
privately.
I know, I apologize to like 4 people just on the way down.
See?
So, so slow.
Have them being in front of us. It's okay. I know.
3 days later.
We're at the Dole Plantation because this is the only thing on Rachel's checklist. Okay, they want to start at the pineapple maze. Yes, that's what I was saying.
But it says combo deals.
Where? Solid.
We just went from dripping over water
Nope.
to the sound of fireworks resound. Sometimes I got nothing here to offer, but the sound of me talking back to you.
Okay, after tour calls for
She gave me 3 spoons, but I'm not sharing this.
what the hell? But of course for the picture.
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's a good thing I didn't get it.
Oh.
I've never had one. It's good though.
It is day 5 and we are at the airport because we're going to Maui. It's 8:30. And this trip is only, what, 45 minutes?
You're playing.
Yeah, and I'm hungry already.
I got snacks.
I have a bar. That's about it.
I have.
But we're not eating today. That's why.
Oh, and that's why I got 2 Parrots booty, 2 granola bars,
Oh, she came prepared.
my pocky, and 1 cookie.
You did come prepared. I should have brought my
You
chips.
said we weren't eating, so I was like, I'm gonna.
I should have brought my chips. That's on me.
You're welcome to board, and then also 1 through 15.
Okay, first stop of the day. Pork and salad. Because of course gluten-free options. Also we got a rental car and the only option was a Mustang, so of course had to go with it. We look cramped. Was she nice? Stop number 1, a beach lookout. But look at the view. Pretty. And you got some people surfing out here already.
We made it.
Stop number 2.
The road here was so windy, but so pretty. There was like all these trees and views, and
I was a little focused on the road,
it
but
was
rather
like
than the
10 miles
trees.
an hour drive, but
It's
was
okay.
so nice.
This is the view. Yeah. We're at a park that we can't enter apparently.
Because you could die.
What? Is that the one that? Oh.
Yep.
There's
Whoa.
I have no sense. It's not the hop over I was thinking, but that's okay.
What do you mean?
something cute.
What did you have in that?
Hold on.
Stop number 3. Oh, she climbing. Spider-Man pose.
No thumb.
She gonna go touch the water.
We're standing in a more flat surface.
I don't see you touching the water. Oh my god. She's don't fall. Face
Oh my god.
forward.
Here we are. We have arrived, and you're not supposed to be in the water, but we touched the water and climbed on these rocks that you're definitely not supposed to be climbing on. But here we are. It's really nice, and we want to cliff jump, but we will die, so that's not happening.
What is this stop number? 4, 5?
Some balls.
Some falls. But I really wish I was them. I want to be in the water.
I'm not that hot anymore, actually.
Okay, stop number 5. But I'm in her picture. My bad. But she's gonna take her picture. But stop number 5, and we don't have time to go the rest of our itinerary, so we're going back and driving another 3 hours back.
To see what we saw, but from the other direction.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, look at that. Cool.
Jump! 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 Jump!
Okay, because we turned around, we stopped by this waterfall, and people are jumping. But it looked fun. I'm sad. I don't have how many to jump.
Just go!
I feel pretty good. You look pretty flat over here.
Trying to cross this without falling in. Getting my foot in, and I got it. Whoo!
Oh, it's warm over here.
Fully go this way, yeah.
I don't know how to go.
It's warm.
Easy.
There's more.
You got it. It's the small steps for me. Does it hurt?
No.
We made it. Lost waterfall. But I don't think anyone's jumping on that. I really want to go inside.
I know. Pictures would be so nice.
I know.
Right under it, with the cave in the background.
I'm so sad. That's the one. Come back. Okay, actually last stop. We found just pull over. Yeah, fish for TikTok. But this is the view. And it's golden hour.
Good morning.
Day 6.
Dang.
And it's our last full day. Sad. We're going snorkeling. No, we're going to breakfast. Getting a breakfast sandwich. Going snorkeling and then going to the ranch. And I'm tired, wow. We're at Sharks Cove. I'm about to go snorkeling.
In the super deep water.
Yep.
He's gonna fly away.
Oh, it's not wide. Sharks Cove in all its glory. We just finished up snorkeling. We were like over there, saw a lot of fish. Of course, GoPro footage you just saw, so. But now we're about to get acai bowls and then head to the ranch. Vlog saw it first. Okay, we're at the ranch and we're doing a Hollywood movies site tour, something like that. And it's like an hour and a half, but we made it in time. But look the view. Yo, it's beautiful out here. Rachel wants to be friends with the horses, but they won't come here.
Why is it standing up there?
Because they're just there.
No, but it's like popping its foot.
Why did they stand like that?
Hello. Oh.
Awesome.
First stop on the bunker tour. Oh, disaster preparedness. Makes sense. Spam is essential. Someone say hi back. Someone say hi back. Hi. No. Hi. No. Oh, you got one. You got one. Hi. Okay.
On the left-hand side as we continue forward. Now, let's talk about these footprints.
Finished the movie tour.
I liked it. I feel like I learned a lot.
Did you?
1% of Jurassic Park was filmed here. That's what I took away from it.
I said 8.
Yeah. Wow, what have you here? Wait, there's a whole rearrangement just happened. Hold on. What? There used to be a whole table here.
This was a really good opportunity. Tell me this isn't a good
This is the view. I don't know about this.
Well, the
It looks like
throws it
you're-
off. The line throws it off a little bit.
No, the whole room throws it off. Like, we're just hiding everything behind us also and trying to be in a shoebox. Day 6 and at 6 a.m. And just please look. We had to walk through all of those army, I don't know, army men, military men. That was scary to look at. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
All right, 6:16. Here you go.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'm delulu right now. It took us like 45 minutes. Okay, so now the hard part is coming back down, which I definitely can't do. But Lonnie's up there somewhere and I don't want to go up there. We did it. I'm dying. There's another rainbow somewhere.
Feeling good.
You see it? Last few clips. We're done, we're packed, and we're leaving.
I need to send a couple emails.
Oh, she's still working. See, you thought I had finished the vlog, but here we are. Our flight's leaving in 15 minutes, so we are not getting on it. And we're staying for another day.
Whoopsies.
Only this would happen to us. Okay, so yesterday we were supposed to leave. Our bags did not make check-in, so we ended up staying another day. I was put on standby for the 8:40 flight. It's now 8:35, and I didn't make the flight. Guys, that's the flight I'm supposed to be on to get home in time. Made it here, but it was a full flight. Sad. Because it was a full flight, so they put me on the next flight over. It's at 1:45, and that's the same flight that Lonnie and Rachel also have. But that means I won't be making it home on the 30th, and I will be staying another day. So the vlog content. Also, in addition, we got a hotel for the night, of course. I was supposed to leave the hotel by 7. Woke up at 6:30, had no water. They apparently just got water like maybe 20 minutes ago, but came to the airport, had to do a long bathroom break because there was no running water. Washed my face, brushed my teeth, did all the essentials, and still didn't make it on a flight, so that is fun. Being here all day calls for a Starbucks run, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Sit down, maybe edit. It'll be a while until they get here. Time update, almost 11:15. Finished some work, so gotta edit a little bit. There's a lot of footage this time. Look who I am back with. It's only me. I heard this story. Guys, we made it. We're going home. Okay, I am editing the vlog and I realized we did not outro it, so this is our outro. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.